Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back again to our YouTube channel, Arnish Wave. Today, I'm gonna test this LG 2.5 HP split inverter AC. After troubleshooting, we will see if it is working fine. Now, this indoor fan motor is working, and also the output of the IPM is connected to the computers. Ah, sorry, compressor I mean. And also this my device is connected so that to monitor whether it is working the three phase output of the IPM. Now let's wait at least 3 minutes to turn on the compressor, guys. Let's see what's gonna happen of this. Before, guys, it was not working the compressor, but the outer fan motor is working before. Again, I apologize, guys, to my place because it is crowded, because I have many works to be done. My space is a little bit small, which why it's crowded. Now the outdoor fan motor is working, and as well as the compressor, guys. See, it's working. Compressor is start working, and also our backup monitoring of this device. Now line 1, line 2, line 3 is also appearing. We're gonna test it for a longer time so that we can assure that it will work properly. This is the outdoor board, and this is the indoor board. This is the outdoor fan motor. By the way, guys, the problem of this, we replace the IPM. This one, this is the IPM we replace. I just cut because it's very difficult to take out. Now, compressor is going speedier. Okay, guys, glory to God, because our troubleshooting for today is being successful. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. See you next video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, Arnish Wave, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are being updated to the new upload videos. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Bye. now I'm gonna switch off the power.